What's up guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to create an artist profile on Apple Music. So this is actually going to be very quick and easy. If you're an artist who would love to upload any of his single on Spotify, then this tutorial is for you. I promise you, after watching this video, you'll be able to create your own Apple Music profile. So let's get started. Now the first step for you to take is to go to Apple Music official website. Now it's more easier if you're using a desktop to do this. So just go to your favorite browser and then just search for Apple Music like this. So once you search for Apple Music, go ahead and click on the first link. Alright, after clicking on the first link, then it will take you to this website. Now you're going to find this option to sign in right here. Go ahead and click on that. Now we're not signing in because we don't have any account on Apple Music. We want to create a new account. Now you find this create new Apple ID right here. Go ahead and click on that. Click on continue. And now we have to fill in all these details. So I'm going to start with the first one: my first name, my last name, my birth date, alright. Now the next thing is your email address, followed by your password. So you have to create a strong password so that it won't be declined by Apple Music. Okay, then you have to check this box to agree to terms and conditions. Now the last thing we have to do here is to change our country slash region. So we find this right here. This, I'm not in United States, but by default United States was selected, so I'm going to search for my country. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to search for Nigeria and select it. Alright, and afterwards click on continue button. Okay, click on this box again, then let's click on continue button, and then we have to verify our email address. A verification code has been sent to my email address, so let me go to my Gmail and check that. Alright, here it is. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to copy this code. Alright, now I'm heading back to Apple Music. I'm going to paste the code here, and then I'm going to click on continue. And now you have to add your credit card information. You're not going to be debited, don't worry about that. You are not going to be debited, just go ahead and put it. You're only going to be debited if you make purchases on Apple Music, so I'm going to add that. Okay, and then I'm going to add my street address. Alright, I don't really know what this one is for. We're going to skip that for now. My town slash city, I'm in Enugu. My country, my state, I'm going to select Enugu. I'm in Enugu. My postal code is this, and then my phone number is this. Alright, so I'm going to click on continue. So it's going to take a few seconds to go. Alright, it says welcome to Apple Music, the best way to enjoy your songs. Now we have successfully created an artist profile on Apple Music. I'm going to click on continue. All right, no, not now. Click on this not now button. It's asking you to subscribe to a free 1 month trial, and after then you're going to be charged. So go ahead and click on not now, or you can click on confirm if you want that. All right, clicking on done, and now we have our Apple Music account set up. So now you can start streaming music or uploading your own song. Now you can, I'm advising you to follow this channel. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that you get more tips on how to upload your song on Apple Music, how to download song, how to listen to song offline, etc. And also I've made a video on how to upload your song on Spotify. You can check out the link to the video in the description of this video. And also I've made a couple of videos on how you can use your Spotify app. So if you're interested in knowing how to do that, you can check out the videos on this channel too. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.